Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up Autopay for Lendingclub loans. Now, Autopay is a convenient way to ensure that your monthly loan payments are made on time without you having to log in every billing cycle. Setting this up can help you to avoid late fees, also to maintain a good payment history. Let me show you how to do it. Now, the first step is to log into your account. So go ahead and open the Lendingclub app, or you can log in on the website and sign in with your credentials. Step 2 is to go to loan settings. Now just navigate to the loan management or payment section where your active loan details are listed. Next is to select Autopay. Just look for the option that's labeled Set Up Autopay or something similar to that. Next is to add a funding account. Now you're just going to enter your bank account information. If it isn't already saved, you're going to typically need the routing and the account number. Fifth step is to choose your payment date. Now most people select their official due date, but Lendingclub may allow flexibility to pick a slightly earlier date. Final step is to confirm and activate. Review your setup carefully, and once you confirm, Lendingclub will automatically deduct your payments each month on the selected date. And that's it. With Autopay active, your loan payments happen in the background, so you don't have to worry about missing deadlines. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching.